following is a quick video tutorial to help you get set up and manage your new Mutare Voice messaging system. At the left here, you'll see section headings and time markers if you wish to skip to a specific section. When you first log in, you'll see your user page. From your user page, start with the top section. Here you can change your time zone. It automatically defaults to Central Time, but if you ever get transferred to another time zone, you can select from here. Also, if you have a difficult last name or first name to pronounce, you can spell it phonetically in this section so the system reads and pronounces it correctly when using a canned announcement. You can always tweak this by calling yourself and listening to your announcement to make sure the automated system is speaking the right pronunciation. Another thing to note throughout are the information bubbles that provide more detailed information about a specific feature. Simply hover over the eye icon and the text will pop into view. Be sure to always click Save when making changes. Here, you see the User Account Administration section. It has been pre-populated for you, so there's nothing that you can or should change here. So let's move on to your Personal Announcements section, which will show you what announcement is being played to your callers. Your system will be set up with a standard default announcement. If you choose to record your own personal announcement, click here on the Add a Personal Announcement link. In the window that opens, give your announcement a short descriptive name and add notes if you want to. People often put their announcement script here. Make sure to hit Save. Now you will notice the new announcement name appears here, but you will still need to record the announcement. To do that, click on the microphone icon. You'll see a window with step-by-step instructions asking you to identify the number for the available phone so the system can call you. Select whether it will be calling an external number, like your cell phone, or an internal extension. Type in the number to call and click the Call button. It may take a few moments to process the call. Answer the call with a hello and follow the prompts. After saving your recording, click on the Close button and return to your User Page Personal Announcements section, where you'll now see additional icons associated with your new personal announcement. Click to play back or download your recording as a WAV file. You can also re-record by clicking on the microphone. To use the new personal announcement, go down to the Your Phone Numbers section. You can see here that ROM currently has the built-in default announcement active. To change that, click on this pencil edit icon. That opens a window where you can select the personal announcement you just recorded. Again, be sure to hit Save once your selection has been made. Now, use the back arrow to go back to your user page where you can see your personal announcement selection appear as your preferred caller greeting. The Your Phone Number section will display your work extension, which is the only number you can use for Mutare voice call handling. You'll also see the announcement that it is in use. To edit other features for call handling, click on the pencil edit icon to open the Edit Number page. The configurations you may want to change here are Zero Out and the Announcement selection. If you want to give callers the option to zero out, click here to open fields where you can either enter a mobile phone number or an internal extension. To select a different announcement, click on the down arrow to reveal additional choices and then select. Down here you'll see a checkbox that gives you the option to receive notifications for all calls or only for callers who leave a message. Checked means you'll receive a notification for calls even if they're a hang-up. Those notifications will still include the caller ID. Unchecked means only calls that include a message will be delivered to you in a notification. Be sure to save any new configurations. At the bottom of your phone numbers section is the Manage Blocked Callers button. Click to open a page listing blocked caller numbers. These are numbers from spam or other unwanted callers that you choose to be blocked from leaving a voice message. These calls will still ring through, but if unanswered, will be played an announcement saying, "This caller is not taking messages. Goodbye." The call will then be dropped, and you will not receive a notification. You can manually add a number here and then click Save. Now that number is showing up as blocked. Going forward, if any caller on the list tries to call you again, they will get an announcement saying, "This caller is not taking messages. Goodbye," and you will not receive a notification. If you accidentally block a number, you simply click on this icon to unblock and remove that number from your blocked callers list. Go to Your Phone Number section on your user page and click on the pencil edit icon. At the bottom of this page, you'll see the Out of Office banner. Click the Configure link to open the configuration window. Here you can set your out-of-office date and time range. Next, decide whether you want to allow callers to be able to leave a message so the system will still deliver notifications to you. Here you can also choose whether you will allow callers to zero out, and if so, to what number or extension. Finally, select your out-of-office announcement from the drop-down. You can also create and choose a personal out-of-office announcement if that's your preference. Again, once all selections are made, be sure to click Save. Now, when you go back to your user page and check your phone number section, a badge will appear on the date that your out-of-office period begins, indicating your out-of-office settings are now activated. The system will automatically switch to your out-of-office announcement at the start of the date range, and then revert back to your normal announcement and settings at the end of the date range. You can also manually deactivate out-of-office by clicking the Edit Pencil icon, and in the out-of-office banner, click on Deactivate and Confirm. Go back to your phone number section, and you'll see that your out-of-office announcement has now been replaced with your previous announcement and settings. At the bottom of your main user page is the Your Notification Methods section. You'll receive all notifications as emails to your work email address, which you will see here. If you choose, you can change the way the timestamp appears in your email header from the default 12-hour AM/PM format to 24-hour format by clicking here, then click Save. Thank you. That completes this Mutare Voice tutorial.